Having a Mustang is a great experience, but like every other great car, it comes with a stereotype. The stereotype for the Mustang being crowd killer. I'm sure you guys all know or have heard about that at one point or another. Most of the people who typically tend to watch my videos tend to own Mustangs, so I'm sure you've had to heard it once or twice before. But in today's video, the Mustang is not the crowd killer, it's actually the one getting hit. In today's video, we're watching this video that comes from California where this girl and her Mustang ends up getting hit. Now, it's a really sad story because it's really weird. Like most videos are like, you know, a Mustang driver puts it in first gear, just dumps the clutch and then the car just goes sideways into a bush. This is not like that. It kind of seems like a help needed situation, and it seems like the woman just did not know what to do. So I'll show you guys a clip right now. It takes place in California, and as you can see in the video, the Mustang is just on the highway chilling. Now, the video starts off really weird. I wasn't even able to tell like if it was a S197 or S550, but as you can see, all the cars are on the highway driving by, and there's just a Mustang literally parked on the sideway. Now, the thing is, the person has on their brake lights and, you know, they seem to be moving backwards, which is weird because they don't have the car in reverse, which made me feel like maybe it was a neutral and they were trying to, you know, engage into first, but I didn't really see any pushback. So I'm thinking like, you know, the car would have definitely stalled if it was a manual car. So it seems like it's not a manual car. The driver literally just stopped the car on the highway and it's literally nighttime. Now, it looks like the person is in trouble. You know, these are cars. It could be anything wrong with the car. But for some reason, they don't put on their hazard lights. So yeah, you can see right there, the reverse lights do not come on. The car just starts rolling back, which makes me feel like they probably had transmission issues. And then a lot of cars are just speeding by. You know, people are not paying attention because even if you are on the highway, you should be at least able to tell when a car is not moving. I know highway speeds don't give you that much time, really unlucky, but yeah, and then boom, of course, a car crashes right into the back of the Mustang. Now, hopefully, I think everybody's okay. And minutes later, everybody comes with the tow trucks, and you know, this whole time we have the POV of somebody that just pulled over on the side of the road. It's almost like they knew what was going to happen and they just decided to have the time of day. They just said, hey, look, I'm here and I'm going to just be here waiting to see what happens. So all in all, really sad, you know, but I have no idea what was going on. Like, obviously, this woman knew how to drive because she ended up on the highway, but then what happened with her car and why did she just stop? And why was her car moving backwards? I feel like if it was automatic, it would roll up forward if she was in drive, but then she was in reverse, so why did it start rolling back? All these questions I don't have answers to. I was hoping you guys could help me out. I have no idea. Like, I have no idea what this could even be, and I just thought it was really interesting, and I just wanted to talk about it for a little bit. So if you guys know any information about this crash, it seems like everybody on the internet is just really confused. Potentially, probably, most likely, something on the car is broken. Yeah, just an unfortunate situation. But this is another reason why you should always put on your hazard lights whenever you're in these type of highway problems. Yeah, just try to put on your hazard lights and get away from your car. Even if you can't move it, just get away, because you know there's cars coming around the corner doing 115. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's it. Just wanted to show you guys this video. And of course, I'll catch you guys next time. AR out.